I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm here with a key concept, that is Indian Contract Act 1872. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So what is Indian Contract Act 1872? It is a primary law that governs each and every contracts in India. It outlines the rules and the regulations for the formation, performance and enforcement of contract. A contract as defined in section 2H of the Act is an agreement enforceable by law. This means if two parties enter into a contract, it becomes legally binding if it meets the requirements outlined in the law. So this is known as contract. Now let's list out the elements of a valid contract. Such as a contract must have certain essential elements to be a valid contract. And they are offer and acceptance, consideration, capacity to contract, free consent, lawful object and certainty of terms. So these are the essential elements of a valid contract. So this is all about today's session, and let me come up in the next session with the explanation on the essential elements of a valid contract. Until then, thank you.